In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add heart in SurveyMonkey 2026 step by step. Let's start by heading to the SurveyMonkey website and signing in. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, you can either create a brand new survey or open an existing one you want to edit. If you already have a survey in progress, opening it will take you straight to the editor. If you're starting fresh, just follow the prompts to name your survey and choose a category if you like. The editor will open as soon as it's created. Inside the survey editor, look to the left-hand side. This is where your main building tools live. Make sure you're on the build view so you can add and configure questions. If you don't see it already, click build to reveal the list of question types and editing options. Now to add hearts, we'll start with the star rating question. Find star rating in the question list and click it. This will drop a rating question onto your page with default stars. Don't worry about the star icons. You're about to change them to hearts in just a second. With the star rating question selected, look at the settings panel. Find the option labeled shape and open the drop down. From the list of shapes, choose heart. The visual icons in your question will immediately switch from stars to hearts, giving you that familiar like or love style rating. Next, adjust the scale to control how many hearts appear. Common choices are 5 or 10, but pick the number that best matches the amount of nuance you want from responses. Fewer hearts make choices simpler. More hearts allow for finer detail. Use your question text to clarify what each end of the scale represents so respondents know exactly what one heart versus the maximum number means. You can also change the color to match your brand or make the hearts stand out. Pick a color with good contrast so the icons remain easy to see on all screens. This small design touch helps respondents quickly recognize the interaction and improves overall accessibility. Once everything looks right, your question wording, the heart shape, the number of hearts, and the color, go ahead and save your changes. Saving locks in the configuration and adds your heart rating question to the survey page. That's it. You've successfully added a heart rating to your SurveyMonkey survey. From here, you can continue building the rest of your questions or refine the layout so the hearts align perfectly with your survey's tone and goals. Thanks for watching and happy surveying!